Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we're going to be making vegetable stuffed flowers, and these are really pretty. So before I get started, I want to thank Sakina for taking the time in order to record. You know that I have been off recording for a while, and that's just because everybody's so busy with school and college and stuff. So I really appreciate the time, because it takes a lot of time to get these videos going. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dough, and then we're going to be stuffing it with a vegetable filling. That's this right here, and I have a video of this vegetable filling, and I'll put it on the link above or on the left hand side, and you can click on that to go to the link for how to make the stuffing. But basically they can be stuffed with just about anything, but I am doing a vegetarian one. So let's get started. Salt or namak, 1 cup shortening, 1 cup shortening, 3 eggs, 3 इंडा के मयाई, 1 चमचो खान, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 चमचो yeast, 1 चमचो खमीरा, 1 cup नौसेकु पानी, 1 cup warm water, 1 cup नौसेकु दूध, 1 cup warm milk. खमीरा, yeast, khan, sugar, थोड़क पानी, a little bit of water, mix. Keep aside, kanto baju ma rakhi dejo, apne pachi kaam aavse. We're going to use this for later. Yeast, shortening, mix. Eggs के इंडा mix. दूध or milk. Too soft, but it's just perfect. So we're just going to leave this to completely poof and proof completely. It should double in size, and then we'll come back. All these little balls done here, and now I'm going to show you how we're going to get our flowers going. Just want to add some flour on the bottom so it doesn't stick, right? You want to roll it just enough so you can add the mixture in there. I would say by 4 by 4 probably. All right. Now I'm going to take my mixture, put the mixture right there in the middle. Just put enough where it's not too much and it's not too less. About a tablespoon full should be fine. I'm going to close this, bring it all in the middle, and then we're going to close it. Okay, once you have it tightly closed, try and get it where it's a nice circle. I want to make sure that it's completely closed. Now we're gonna make some cuts. So what you want to do is, we're going to finish cutting it, but what you want to do is you want to turn it around and then press, turn it around, press, turn it around, press. Right. Just want to open it up just a little bit so you can get a really nice flower shaped. And the petals really depends how many petals you want to make. All right. All right. So now this is ready, and you're gonna need something flat to pick it up. Just gonna add a little bit of flour on both sides. There we go. We're gonna set it right here onto our tray, and now we're gonna wait until it rises one more time. So it's gonna get nice and big, and when you put it down, just adjust it just like that. And then when I'm done with all this, when they're all nice and puffy, I'll show you how I'm gonna garnish these, and they're gonna look fantastic. I've started garnishing these, and basically you can let your imagination go wild. Seriously, you can do so many things with it. But first, so I've started garnishing these, and they look wonderful. Use your imagination. Let me know what you guys come up with. So I used white sesame seeds, I used black sesame seeds, and I used some of my famous red chutney. If you haven't watched the video, you have to, because this is an amazing red chutney, and I have it on YouTube. So the first thing we're gonna do is, before we start garnishing these, is you wanna put an egg wash on them. And just wanna get it everywhere, so everywhere looks really nice and shiny when you get them out of the oven. We're gonna bake these at 400 degrees preheated oven until they're really nice and golden brown, and I'll tell you how long it took in the oven. And you should get about, from this, you should get about 15 of them out. So you can take the red chutney and add it right in the middle, and then you can take white sesame seeds and throw that on top like that. And then if you wanted to use garnish it even more, you could just throw in black sesame seeds on the side. So really, it's however you decide to garnish it. And if you were doing this for like birthdays or anything like that where kids were involved, you can take a popsicle stick and insert a popsicle stick in the middle, so they can actually hold on to these. So these would be wonderful, and they would be great also if you added Nutella or anything in there. So now I'm gonna put them in our, gonna put it in the oven, and when I take them out, I'm gonna show you what they look like. So I got these out of the oven. They took between 12 to 15 minutes, but make sure that you don't rely on the minutes, because everyone's oven temperatures are different, so keep an eye on them. As soon as you see them, they're about nice golden brown, pull them out, let them cool on a wire rack, and then put them on a plate. So I want to show you here, they're pretty warm still, but they just look gorgeous. Different variations here a little bit with the, you know, chutney and all that. So just gonna put them down here, and if you wanted to, you can always go ahead and add a bit more of the green chutney on it. So just come in, just add a little bit more on top. You can add some inside also, you know, if you want to have somebody that really likes chili or hot foods. So there's so many things that you can do with this. So see how beautiful that looks? So something different. And these are super, super fun to do for get-togethers and parties and stuff. So I'm gonna keep one here so I can give it a try and let you know what it tastes like. All right. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So when I pull it, the bread should be, see how soft the bread is? So that's, you know, you don't want something that's really, really hard. So see how soft that bread is. And then we've got our filling in there. These are amazing. They not only look amazing, but they taste great. And so make sure you make these. Send me a comment or two. How did you think of garnishing them? And also, if you liked this video, I need your support. I need you to hit the subscribe button. I need you to hit the like button. It takes a lot of work to get these videos up, and I would love your support. Comment, share. I have a page on Facebook under Raihana's Cuisines. I have Instagram. I have Twitter. So make sure that you send messages, send me pics. I want to see what everyone's making. Thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.